So we're strapped in. So please close the door from outside. The outside. Oh, there we go.
Oh my god.
Actually, that's closed. After the lamp flashed, press the button. Oh. Try again. Okay, after the lamp and the lamp flash. What's the lamp? Where's the lamp flashing?
Oh, do I just pull this cord?
No, I need to press the button first. That's the last thing that needs to happen. So, I press that. What? I don't know where this lamp is. After the lamp flash. Now try pulling the cord. Oh, there you go.
I'm nervous. Oh,
There she goes.
because this is like the most nerve-wracking thing ever. Goodness, it really is.
Pretty high, isn't it?
Waterfall. This is more than waterfall.
There you go. You're back.
Because that was amazing.
There you go. You can release yourself, hopefully. There's a button there.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
thank you. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. Yeah, it does go quite high. Gorgeous, what did you think?